Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Holland Bamboo in St. Elizabeth. This is a very scenic area in Jamaica. As you can see, the bamboo grows up and forms like an arch over the road. Now I want to ask you guys a question. Do you think they should allow cars to drive through this area, or I'm thinking maybe they should build a road or a bypass to the left or the right of Holland Bamboo to protect this area. Definitely trucks should not be driving through here. Now Fern Gully is protected. Fern Gully on the way to Ocherios has a similar setup. It's a very scenic drive, has a lot of plants that cover the road similar to this, and that area has some sort of protection. You're not supposed to drive trucks through the area. Although trucks go through it, they're not supposed to. But this area doesn't have any such protection. So, guys, what do you think? Do you think they should build another road to protect this area? There you can see a truck. There's a lot of space to the left and the right of this road where you could build a bypass. And I mean, eventually this road is going to have to be widened because they're actually building a highway from Mandeville to. Oh no, the highway won't go through this part. The highway doesn't go this side. The highway is going up to Junction. So, guys, let us know what you think. Do you think they should build a bypass road for Holland Bamboo? Alright, guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.